Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a jar of pickles open. First, try inverting the jar and giving the lid a few firm taps on a sturdy counter. This can often break the vacuum seal. Another simple trick is to use a rubber glove. The extra grip it provides can make all the difference when twisting. You can also try gently tapping around the edge of the lid with the back of a spoon to help loosen it. If the first methods don't work, try running the lid under hot water for about 30 seconds. The heat causes the metal to expand slightly, which can loosen its grip on the glass. Alternatively, a specialized jar opener tool is designed to provide maximum leverage and grip, making even the most stubborn lids easy to turn. You can also wrap a wide rubber band around the lid for improved traction. For truly stubborn jars, you can carefully use the tip of a can opener to gently pry up the edge of the lid in 1 or 2 spots. You'll hear a small pop as the vacuum seal breaks. Another effective method is to use a damp towel. It offers a surprisingly good grip and protects your hands. Remember to apply firm, consistent pressure while twisting rather than just brute force for the best results. Always prioritize safety when opening jars to avoid cuts or strains. If a lid is extremely stuck, it's better to ask for help or try another method rather than forcing it. Proper storage can also prevent future struggles. Keep jars in a cool, dry place to prevent lids from sticking. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you enjoy your pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.